HWMJ Gaming once again, and today I have another Hot Wheels Monster Jam unboxing for you guys today. So this eBay haul is going to be divided into two parts because I feel like one of these things that you're going to see is like kind of special. So I'm going to kick it off with 3 normal trucks from the singles, and then in the second half I will show you the other thing. So the first 3 trucks I'm going to show you are 2 trucks from 2005 and 1 truck from 2004. They're all big hub and metal base. So yeah, we're going to start with the 2004 truck, and as you can see, the card back, it shows like trucks such as like Expelled and like 5.0 and Ninja Blade and other trucks like those. Like, it's because like 2004 was a weird year. Like, it was a combination of both it was a combination of both small hub trucks and big hub trucks. So it's like a split year almost. So yeah, the truck I got is the Beware of the Junkyard Dog. Now, this is a very awesome truck, and I'm so happy that I finally have it in my collection. All right, let's get this bad boy unboxed. The thing that's really cool about the 2004 trucks, the big hub ones, I like how they come with these like badges. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely keep that. All right, here is the Junkyard Dog. It is a 1941 wheelies concept. This is an awesome truck. Like, I like the metallic bronze paint job that they gave it. That is so sick. All right, so let's do a in-depth graphics review. So on the door panel, it says Beware the Junkyard Dog. And the tailgate here, or the fenders, you got a doghouse and the Hot Wheels logo. You got like dog chains, and then the Monster Jam logo. You got the dog mascot on the hood, looking pretty menacing. Then you got more chains, and then you got another dog chain going across the grill. That is so cool. And then same graphics on this side. It's obviously a metal base, of course. And fun fact, this is my first metal base 1941 wheelies. So yeah, that's pretty neat. So next of the metal base 41. So the next trucks I'm going after for the metal base wheelies trucks are small hub blacksmith and Tosaurus Rex. So yeah. Yeah, and then here is the tailgate. It says Beware the Junkyard Dog with chains. So yeah, very nice. And then the roof, it says Beware the Junkyard Dog again. I really love this metallic brown paint. Very nice. So yeah, that is the Junkyard Dog truck. Very nice truck. So yeah, I really like it. Alright, and then the next truck we're going to take a look at is a truck from 2005. For some reason, it has the same exact card back as 2004, which is kind of odd. But obviously, 2005 was obviously different, which, yeah. But the first 2005 truck is Equalizer. So yeah, Equalizer. This is a really nice one. Let's check it out. Here is Equalizer. Very nice truck. And whoops. I'm using an old Pokemon Trainer 10 as my stand. I think in the future I'll probably use my tripod. Here is the Monster Jam badge, the cardboard one. Very cool. I'll display that later. All right, here is Equalizer. It's got a metallic blue paint job, which is very cool. All right, so and it's sponsored by Lucas Oil, so I think it's Lucas Oil Equalizer. I think that's its real name, Lucas Oil Equalizer. Very cool truck. So on the Side, you got some flames, and it says Equalizer with the Lucas Oil badge and the HWMJ logo. Then Lucas Oil products. It says Hawkins Construction right there, and then the Hot Wheels logo. On the tailgate, you got like a bunch of random sponsors. And then same graphics on this side. Oh, I forgot to point out the 33 right there. This is the Chevy Silverado variant. There's a Ford variant released back in 2004. I might get that, but probably just to keep it in the package. So, I don't know yet. To be honest, I like the Chevy one better. Alright, so and then on the hood it says Lucas Oil Products Incorporated. And then this is a cool roof decal. It's like a tornado, like sucking up some trucks. Like it shows maximum destruction right there. And then there's Gravedigger, and then a couple other trucks. Yeah, so happy to finally have Equalizer. This is a beauty. And then the last 2005 truck that I got to show in this first half of the video, it is a Hot Wheels original called Nightmare Express. This is now I got a pretty interesting story about Nightmare Express. So, I actually did see this truck when I went to the flea market a long time ago, but however, when the person was like selling it along with the other trucks that they had on like their little like booth, it was in very bad condition, and it was also missing a wheel, and I don't have the device where you can like swap axles and fix broken trucks, so yeah, so I basically just left it behind, and I said I'll just have to find a Nightmare Express on eBay, and lo and behold, I found one. So now Nightmare Express is finally crossed off my list, and yeah, so let's unbox it. HWMJ logo was bented. That's alright though. Alright, here is Nightmare Express. What a beauty. Here it is. I like it. It's got chrome rims, obviously, and then red roll cage, metal base as normal. It's got the more modern, like I want to say most trucks used this in 2005. Most trucks didn't. Like this is I think starting in 2007 they started using this tooling more often. So I want to say the 2007 to 2014 SUV body. So yeah, I would call this the other Ford Expedition body. I don't know. I don't know what you would call this SUV body. But yeah, it's very cool. I like the headlight and grille printing. That is pretty sweet. And the other headlights on the bottom. It says Nightmare Express on the side with the HWMJ logo and the Hot Wheels logo. I like all the flames going across the truck. That is so sick. On the tailgate it says Nightmare, and then some tail lights, and then same stuff going on here on this side. These are some very awesome truck. So yeah, that is part one. Thank you for watching the thank you for watching the unboxing of Nightmare Express, Equalizer, and Beware the Junkyard Dog. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and yeah, that's it for this that's it for part one of the video. Yeah, so once again, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you for the other half of this amazing haul.